Ladies and gentlemen, you may be asking why are we in Kevin's living room right now? Because these weigh 90 pounds and we just unboxed them. We have a solution to a great problem I've been having. I scrape every single day in my driveway. I'm going to show you guys this crazy lip that I've been absolutely smashing the R8 front bumper on. Not really, but it's like barely. And it's not where it actually scrapes the bumper. It's actually like that underneath kind of lip thing. Either way, I needed something to mitigate that. And today, we have it. VEVOR, ladies and gents, coming in clutch. If you guys remember, VEVOR is the flooring that I have, the jack that I have. These guys make everything, I swear. 100% recommend. These are gonna be clutch. They weigh 45 pounds a piece. There are two in here. Let's go install them. I'm gonna show you guys this gnarly lip, which is in my driveway. Excuse the noise from my 2008 air conditioning unit. This is a long overdue job. This driveway's kind of been screwed up since we moved into this place almost 3 years ago. And the S4 almost scraped. Now we have the R8, and it's a nice car. I want to preserve it. I want to keep it as pristine as possible, and that's why it's like, why did I wait this long to do this? I don't know. The nice thing about these is I just slapped them there. They do come with these anchors, so you can like drill them into the concrete and kind of have them be semi-permanent. I'm just slapping these up for the time being. One, to see if it's good placement, and two, I don't think they're gonna go anywhere. They weigh freaking 90 pounds. Let's test it. I think it'll be good. The funny thing is too, I try and angle my car when I go up this because I know it will scrape if I go head on. But I'm gonna try. I think I can try going head on. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. All right, we're gonna test if this is a good placement or if I need to move them. Place is a friggin' disaster. I got leaves everywhere, cushions all about, chairs strewn. It's Sunday, which means it's time to reset and organize and upgrade. Let's do it. All right, at least the garage is organized now. I got all that stuff out for the time being. And now we're gonna take a look at the second little upgrade I got, which is the VEVOR charger. This is a battery charger. I knew I needed one of these for the longest time, but I got the R8 and I was like, you know what? There's gonna be some times in the winter where this old AGM battery is gonna show its age. So I figured to be proactive and just grab this. This is a battery charger for multiple different batteries. So it's like lead acid, AGM, LIFE, PO4, whatever that means. I'm not a scientist. All that business. So it's cool. It's a smart charger and it has different modes. So you can like charge it, maintain it. There's a bunch of stuff you can do with this battery charger. So that's pretty sweet. If your battery dies on you, or if you just need to maintain it, which a lot of people do, especially if you're going to keep a car in storage over the winter. This is an absolute must. Like, you don't want your battery to die. You want to make sure it keeps its charge alive over the cold season. So here in Michigan, I think everybody's got to have one of these. We're going to plug it in and test it out because obviously I want to know how it works when I need to use it in the colder months. All right, so we don't have anything plugged in yet, but connect the red guy, the black, and then plug this unit in. So it's gonna read, we're on AGM, and then we're gonna hit maintain. It's on auto, 12 volts already. If you need to change anything, you just hit, obviously, the buttons, but I'm gonna hit start. And now we are maintaining the battery. So that's pretty cool. On this setting too, it's not gonna hurt your battery or anything. It just literally maintains it. So pretty neat. You can tell what setting you're on based off where the blue lines are. So Audi R8 AGM battery, 12 volts, current's on auto. So this is it on maintenance. You literally just let it sit. So a lot of people close their trunks to just kind of leave this guy dangling out, but that is how you do it. Pretty easy as long as it's plugged in. That is so easy. And this is a smart battery charger too, which I didn't even know they make. That's pretty cool. So you just select what you need and that's it. That's so freaking easy. And then when you're done, obviously, you can pause. Whoops. You can pause, unplug it, take the negative from the positive, and then you're good. I'm gonna put this back because it's a beautiful sunny day here in Michigan and I do not need my battery maintained at the moment, but it's such a good thing to have. Like I said, I just wanna be proactive about it rather than finding myself in a tough situation in the middle of winter where this thing's dead and I'm like at work and gotta move or something. Just sounds like no fun. So, whoops, this cord's still in here. Very important. Everybody needs one of these. Plus it's in addition to the garage. So we got the battery tender, battery charger. For the old 2014, I think it's probably the original battery in this. So that's gonna be huge. The ramps out front, obviously my garage is closed so you can't see, but the ramps have made everyday driving so much easier. Literally, I don't scrape anymore and I don't even think about it. Like I just come in and out of the driveway like it's nothing. 10 out of 10. If you guys have that, usually it's in like the front of the home, especially in a lot of American houses. They pour a concrete lip and it's so annoying. So it just makes life easier. Plus they're relatively inexpensive for an upgrade. Basically, I owe my entire garage to VEVOR because yes, I did a lot of the work doing all the drywall, insulation, painting, and then installing the flooring, but I think it all really ties together. So if you guys have any other questions as far as like the garage updates, leave them in the comments below. I'm always looking to upgrade. Speaking of upgrade, this is gonna be the new addition because this guy's on its way out. It's dying. It lasted a good almost 3 years, but I think I left it outside and it kind of pulsates and starting to show its age. So I got what I saw on the internet as kind of this amazing automotive product from Ryobi. I saw this on a lot of YouTubers' videos. This is made especially for automotive pressure washing. It has a higher GPM and a lower PSI, which makes it ideal for, I guess, just like rinsing and overall washing cars. You don't need a super high PSI for cars. And it comes with cool attachments like on the nozzle, 2 times longer hose. How long is the hose? Wait, 40 feet. Dang, that's pretty impressive. The one I have here is 50 feet, but if you don't already have a hose, this is actually a really good option because it goes around the entire car. In the old Ryobi products, like the one I had on that 1800 PSI one, I think it was 20 feet. So it's really not enough. Like you can't go around the whole car. This one, I'm excited to set up. So that's actually gonna be a separate video because I got all these other accessories too. Like we're gonna mount it on the wall. Still need to go to Home Depot, but pretty cool mounting system for like the foam cannon and the pressure washer handle. So that's probably gonna be set up in this area, I wanna say. I gotta do some measurements. But we also have something on the way, again, from VEVOR. It's a hose reel. It will be here shortly, but that is not gonna be probably for another week or so. For the meantime though, the garage upgrades are still coming. As a car guy, I'm always just like adding things. And this is absolutely one that everybody should have. Battery charger. I know I already mentioned it a couple times, but those ramps come with the option to drill them in and sink them in the concrete. I don't really think I need to do that because 1, it's in my driveway. It's not like people are gonna come up and like potentially steal them. And 2, they weigh 90 pounds, so they don't really go anywhere. I've driven over them all week long. Like they've been installed and just haven't been an issue at all. So I'm just planning on leaving them, and if I ever want to move them or if I move out, it'll be super easy to just pick them up. So little upgrades that make life so much easier. That's kind of the theme of today's video. Upgrades everybody probably should have. It's like one of those little things where I'm like, man, it would be so nice if I just had this. And I've lived here for almost 3 years and I'm like, why haven't I done this yet? So finally we have upgrades that make life so much easier. I'm happy with it. I'll link the exact ones in the description, but it's just, again, one of those things. Everybody should probably have one of these. And depending on your need for it, I absolutely needed it. But the driveway ramps, 100% worth the investment. Considering they're only like $100 too, like, no brainer. That's funny. My floor jack is also from VEVOR. Flooring is VEVOR. Chargers VEVOR. The ramps are VEVOR. They make good stuff. What can I say? A lot of my garage videos seem to kind of revolve around that. And then the hose reel, obviously for the new pressure washing setup, is going to be VEVOR as well. I think before I do that installation video, I'm going to do the full video on this kit, just using what came in the kit. And then once I get everything mounted up and integrated with the system I already have, it's gonna be the ultimate detail setup DIY at home. Cannot wait. The car does need a wash today. Maybe I'll just film that video today too. I mean, it's Sunday. I'm not really doing anything. It's beautiful out. Might as well, right? If you guys enjoyed this video, want to pick up the product for yourself, links are always in the description. If you guys enjoy the video, want to see more R8 content, there will be content aplenty. Next week, there's Cars and Coffee at the one in downtown Birmingham, which is like all supercars. So gonna be going to that. And then I also just got a really freaking cool partnership for an opportunity I can't really discuss yet, but it's gonna be probably one of the biggest things that I've done and one of the most exciting things that I'm looking forward to. So that's in a couple weekends from now as well. If you guys did enjoy it, feel free to like the video. It helps push it to other viewers. We just hit 35,000 subscribers on the channel as well, so I thank you very much for the continuous support. Ladies and gents, let's hit 50K. Why not? We're close, right? We're close enough. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next video, we'll see ya.